In this video, I will guide you on how to set song as ringtone on Android phone. First, you want to launch open the Play Store app on your device. Then, search for the app called Zedge. Now go ahead and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, launch it open. Now tap on Accept and Continue. Then tap on Continue over here. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for a song. Then out of these options, select Ringtones. Now go ahead and select the ringtone that you want and tap on it. Now tap on this download icon. Here you have the option of set contact ringtone or set ringtone. Select set ringtone. Now make sure that you have allowed permission for this app. Now as you can see, the ringtone has been successfully updated. Now head over to your settings, tap on sounds and vibration, and here on ringtone you can see that the ringtone has been set. In this way, you can set song as ringtone on Android phone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.